I'm a little scared.
What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up? What's up, guys? Okay. What's up, guys? So, why do you keep going?
Guys, you're like coming up on me, bro. I don't know. Freaking me out a little bit.
Guys? So, today we're shooting another video. We're kind of just, I might just start revving my engine and drive through or something. I don't know, but I did promise 3 people shout outs on, commented on my video. So, let me go to those thingies real quick.
3 hours later.
Okay, so first shout out goes to Skipper Carter. I think he's been watching the videos for a pretty long time. Also, if you guys want to shout out, comment down below, leave a like, do all that stuff. But Skipper Carter, Samuel McKeon, I don't know how to pronounce this dude, sorry. But he's been showing some good support here lately too. And then my buddy Virex, guys. We're actually gonna be doing a collab with him here soon. He's a cool ass dude, he's got a dope ass WRX. So I'm excited for all that. But keep on commenting, guys. I wanna see who's actually active and who actually watches the video. Because we're about to do some giveaways here pretty soon to get the holiday season. So yeah.
Sound it, bro.
Tires actually look pretty good though. Feels good.
Shut up.
This lady feeding on the cat.
She's feeding the cat. Gotta put my buck seat on. I'll put the buck seat. She's like, come here, kitties. Kitty cat.
Oh wow, look. In the cut we got Wal-mart. So we're about to go in there and see if they got this charger.
They see me rolling, they hate it, patrolling and trying
Yo, I'm geeking, yo.
Oh, you are? Okay. Cool.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid.
I feel like I need that hoverboard. Like I feel like walking is just like too basic now, you know?
They're playing basketball. We love that basketball. They're playing basketball. We love that
What's your name? You doing like, what is that, YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Come on, baby.
Wow, why are you doing for a video only?
It's not.
Yes, it is.
Let me just see your name tag.
So why is that? Why is that?
Huh?
What's the video for?
It's
No?
It's for comedy.
it's yeah,
Comedy for what?
for everything.
For everybody.
All right, shout out to Baby, guys. You know what I'm saying? Baby's my favorite Walmart employee ever. You know what I'm saying? So they didn't have the charger, so I'm about to just go mess with some more people because that's what we gotta do. Also, I'm about to be ordering a wireless mic here soon. We can actually do like pranks and have someone like hide on the other side, or you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go do that stuff.
Don't think about it too much, too much.
I'm sorry.
You okay?
We got our first victim right here.
She ain't even turning that.
Right.
Hey, I think you got a car alarm. Hey, yo.
it'll shut right off. Open the sunroof. Go ahead, get it. Oh god. Oh shit. Hi.
Take Wendy's when you're ready.
Okay. Can I get a water?
Bottle of water or a cup of water?
Cup of water, please.
Okay, I'm driving around.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. This lady up here is geeking. Look at this lady. I don't know if you see her. She's geeking. We're gonna surprise her with a little bit of rice burning sounds. I don't know. I'm just gonna like rev it up, see like what reactions we can get. I'm like, thank you. I'm gonna just rev it up. Hi.
Oh my God! What are you doing, the mannequin check?
It's like, no. Hey, at least y'all cool for real. At least y'all cool for real. I got the cops called on me like at the McDonald's down there by Patapsco.
They called the police on you?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. All right. Bye, baby. Ew, that bitch would look like a motherfucking eye.
How can I help you?
You can help me with a water, please.
How can I help you?
Can I get a water? Just a cup, please.
Okay, is that everything?
Yes.
Okay, your total is $2 less.
$2 for water?
Oh, you said water or bottle of water?
No bottle, just cup, please.
Okay, let us know.
Thanks. I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling crazy. Don't do drugs, kids. Thank you. Might be like, you got my change? Can I have my change back?
Huh?
My change?
You never gave me no money.
I gave you a 20.
No, you didn't.
Why are you lying to me? Come back here, idiot. I don't know. All right, guys. So, well, watch this. So, we're probably gonna end the video here. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'm just kind of like just winging it. Not really winging it, but I'm just doing whatever I feel like doing, to be honest. But I want to know what you guys want to see me do next, because you guys are the viewers. You guys are subscribed, so I want to know what you guys want to see next. But thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest.